We have actually been working on this project for about the last 6 months, and believe it or not, this was originally intended to be a high-end Airbnb. We worked on renovating all of the bathrooms completely. We have given everything else a refresh, and on reveal day, our clients walked in and loved it so much that they decided there's no way we are renting this out. This is going to be our second home. So I can't blame them, and I'm super excited to show you around. Kitchen got a pretty good makeover, but we did not have to change the footprint at all. It already had these beautiful high-end appliances, and so we were able to keep these and just kind of give everything a refresh. So one of the major things that we did was lower this countertop. It had like the old bar stool countertop right here, and so we decided to lower that to give it a little bit more even look. We replaced the pendant lights that were in here with these beautiful, beautiful brass semi-flush lights that are my new favorite, so they might appear in more projects, stay tuned. And then we obviously painted the cabinets. So this was all very dark, very dated. So we painted the cabinets, darker color on bottom, lighter color on top, just to keep everything light and bright. Again, because this was originally going to be Airbnb, we just wanted it to show as a very bright, light, happy place. And now it'll just be a light, bright, happy place for the homeowners. This area here is perhaps one of the biggest makeovers in the house, and it actually might be my own little personal favorite moment in the whole entire house. So this used to be just kind of an unused desk area with the opening for the chair below, the cabinets above, and was just not cute. And so we decided to take the opportunity. We replaced the lower cabinets with these ones so that we're actually maximizing the space, added the pretty shelf, took the backsplash from the countertop all the way to the ceilings, and then added a couple more of my favorite lights. And this just became a moment that I feel like as soon as you walk into the kitchen, this is one of the first things that you see. And when it's lit up, it is just mwah, chef's kiss. One of the big things that we did was add a feature wall over here. So we added some beautiful board and batten and just made that a statement. So as soon as you walk in the front door, you see that, it's beautiful. The other part of this room that has become my favorite is this beautiful light fixture that we just wanted to highlight the length of the room, the length of the table. It's a large space, and this adds just a little bit of modernness to a traditional home. Never before have I ever introduced a living room from the outside. This house has a beautiful set of nano doors, both in this kitchen area and the living room area, so they can have all of this open to the fresh air, and you can bring your outside in and your inside out, and it makes for a beautiful, beautiful, entertaining area that opens it up and makes the flow better for everybody. In this living room, I can't wait for you to see the before and after. We decided not to totally tear down the fireplace wall, so we kept this, repainted, and then we redid the sides of it, and it made all the difference. Over here, we added these built-in shelves. We made sure to leave enough room below so that we've got a couple ottomans, so you can pull those out, put your feet up, or you can also pull them out and have a little extra seating as needed. Speaking of extra seating, we've got this beautiful bench over here that we added some drawers, so they've got some storage for games and such, and blankets. We added this gorgeous sconce, so it just adds a little ambient lighting there, and then did this custom cushion, and the pillows just softens things up, and we'll see who calls dibs on the window seat there.